Okay, continue.
In this house.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, lovely.
$40 with bridge 20.
Yep.
Oh, how many more do you have?
One.
I'm going to have to double up that.
Whatever.
You might have to double up.
Take it back. Come on, take these back and go back.
Oh, is that where we went?
It's perfect. It's perfect. Hold one out. And then the rest.
I'm gonna try putting this back in later.
Yeah.
I think it's the never-ending White Lights trilogy, which is my favorite music.
Oh, excellent.
Now you know what they are.
Yes.
Audio CDs. And yes, they do still make them.
Yeah.
Wow. And they go with that, I think they have another CD. And another band that you probably never heard of, Underworld.
I think I've heard of Underworld.
I heard of the movie.
Thank you, me.
All right. This is no freaking clue. This is it. Clue in the world. I thought it's a shoe or a boot, though.
Of some sort.
Of some sort.
Scout, go get your other one.
Want that one?
Mm-hmm.
Shoe.
That's awesome. With peppers in it.
Peppers. That's
Like
hilarious.
for your kitchen.
Yeah. That's awesome.
You're going to see them all the time at Boston Pizza, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not with shoes.
Not with shoes.
I saw the bottle of Boston Pizza and I want to get it for the kitchen.
Told you it was a shoe or a boot.
No, it's oil.
Okay, we're going to have to do something about that.
Okay, guys, come on.
And my last one.
Let's go. Come on. Out. 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 You can work out your distance over there. Come on.
It's an energy, happy.
A happy laugh, not a sad laugh.
Oh.
Happy laugh.
But it does the same thing as a sad
Yeah.
lamp?
Just this company decided to call it a happy.
That's a good idea, instead of calling it a sad lamp.
Yeah.
Now, technically, this is more for Denise than myself. I just like the white
I
lights.
have
Yeah.
a sad lamp.
You gave it away because you never
I
used it.
didn't give it away. I loaned it to him.
Because it hasn't been turned on in 6 months.
Because I've been tanning. Same
Okay.
thing.
Come on. Go.
We're done.
No kisses?
Thank you. You're welcome.